welcome back to our channel. I'm Colleen and this is Our Blessed Life, and today I'm doing a cleaning video, and I'm just going to be straightening up pretty much our whole downstairs. So we just got back from vacation a few days ago. We just still have things everywhere. We've also done some shopping recently and picked up a few Christmas decorations and some clothes for Sophie. So we really just have a lot of stuff out of place. So we're just going to start here by straightening up our table in the kitchen. This table always seems to be our dumping ground, especially when we go shopping. We just kind of throw everything there until we can get it put up. So I've got my girls helping me just get everything that needs to go upstairs taken up there.
Like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't want to let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it.
So I'm just dusting using my Method multi-surface cleaner.
Cause you really seem to know how to carry on your own. Ever since I got a good look in his eyes, I just knew that he was special. He said he wanted to take it slow, but I couldn't help that I wanted to take it to the next level. Cause I wanted that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't want to let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to.
So now I'm just moving into the kitchen, and I am straightening up cups and things that need to be in the dishwasher and just putting things away. And I bought some new kitchen towels and washcloths, and I'm just getting those unpackaged so I can go ahead and wash those and replace the kitchen towels that I have now.
Met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down.
And now I'm just going to disinfect my countertops using Clorox wipes.
I couldn't get him off my mind. Lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't want to let you go. Cause we wanted different things.
Now I'm going to scrub out both of my sinks. I'm just using some dish soap and a sponge, and then I will disinfect them later.
How to carry on. How to carry on.
Do you ever feel you don't get out what you're putting in? All your hopes and efforts are all in vain. Who will pick you up when you've lost everything? Does it all become for granted with a wedding ring? Oh, there must be more.
Now I'm just going to clean my stainless steel appliances with the Method Steel For Real. I really don't feel like my kitchen is done until I've cleaned the stainless steel appliances.
There must be a reason, and a little bit of faith has got to come my way. I was just a little girl when my mama used to say, ooh, happiness requires
now I'm moving into the living room just to straighten everything up. We do school in the living room a lot, and so it ends up with pillows everywhere and sometimes blankets. So I'm just going to put up our school stuff and pillows and just straighten up.
Has got to come my way. I gave it all to you for too
Now I'm going to try to straighten up my desk and just get rid of things that don't need to be there and just organize it a little bit.
There must be conscious, different things in different ways. There must be more to the reason why we do it all for love. There must be more for a reason, and a little bit of faith has got to come my way. Has got to come my Has got to come my
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the
So now I'm in the homeschool room just straightening up after our homeschool day. It's actually nighttime now, and normally I do this right after homeschool is done. But on this day we had to go out and run some errands, and Katie had dance, and we were just kind of all over the place. So I'm just now getting to straightening the room. I really do like the room to be clean when we start school in the mornings because it's just easier not to be distracted.
be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire.
And now I'm going to go ahead and vacuum the floors.
World on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me
looking back at me. I don't know what happened. Guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems. I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. Back when I met you, we were like fireworks. Thought nothing could break.
All right, everything's clean and straight, and it's so nice to go to bed with a clean house and know that when you wake up, everything's gonna look nice and neat.
We're both getting out of line. Now say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Understand right now.